add payment method to your cowrywise account. So after opening your cowrywise app, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and then tap on payment. You can see I don't have any accounts added there, so tap on the plus icon. Then you see the option I have available. Yours might be different. You might see a debit card or a credit card there, so tap on the option you want, add bank. So you're only allowed to add your personal bank account that is linked to your BVN, and once you've added it, you have to link your bank account for seamless deposit into your savings and investments and cowrywise. No card is needed for making deposits, and you can easily withdraw to your bank account from your savings and investments. So click on let's go, and then you put in your account number. Remember, only a personal bank account that is linked to your BVN can be used. So you put in your account number, choose the bank, and then you put in your account name, and once you're done, click on continue and follow the on-screen prompt. Hope you found this video helpful.